Our laws mandate 10% free shareholding by the state in every mine. But some mines declare little or no profit. So dividends from the shareholding are a pittance compared with the value of minerals being mined. It is known and the published view of the Ghana Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative that, I quote, the 10% carried interest has yielded insignificant returns over the years, unquote. Let me give you a real example. In a 10-year period, one mine, not a gold mine, but one large-scale mine, declared losses in 7 years. In those 10 years, no dividend was ever declared due to huge loans it has supposedly taken from its parent company. I say supposedly because, and I was involved in this, there were no assets in the company to show for the loans. Also, the loans were taken not from a bank or any financial institution. The loans were taken from its parent company, which means it was not at arm's length. During the same period that this company was posting consistent losses, the company doubled production. In effect, the foreign owners of the mine were taking away the minerals for next to nothing. They were only paying a 3% royalty, which they are required to pay under the law. They were depleting the mineral resources for almost no benefit to our nation. It is sad, but true, that this mine had Ghanaian board representation on behalf of the state. The board members must have seen the financial manipulations that robbed this nation of its mineral wealth. They did nothing and said nothing. Whether it is through the incompetence of the board representatives or their complicity, such situations should not be allowed to continue. It is time for the state to insist on minimum competencies for all directors representing the state on boards and to hold them truly accountable. Financial and corporate governance skills should be minimum skills for sitting on any public sector board or any corporate board on behalf of the nation.